Ito po yung smart foreheads, printer head, cupping, head clean, nozzle test. Ito po yung ground wire at AVR. Ito po yung ink tank at ink system. Waste tank. In-use supplies. Dito naman po ang stocks at unused sa ink at sabli rolls. Sa consumables, na-consume namin 1.55 roll ay 5. Dalawang cyan, isang magenta, isang yellow, at isang black. Naka 604 meters naman po kami na run last week. Ito naman po aking printer daily checklist.